Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. And just in case if you're interested in ordering the subscription for yourself, I will put a link for the subscription down there below the video. Just click on Show More and you will see the website link. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So like I told you guys in previous videos where I've opened the subscription, this piece of paper in here has a code that you can go to online and watch a tutorial video showing you how to make two pieces that are in this box. Okay, let's see what the beads are. Here are some crimps. There's a lobster claw. And here we have the tiniest cathedral beads that I've ever seen. There's a lot in here. Beautiful colors. I see teal, red, I see an olive green, looks like a champagne color. There's some really pretty colors in there. Maybe even a clear, I want to say. They're gorgeous. I think they're 4mm. And then we have some bicones, 4mm. These look like check bicones. And then we have 3 jump rings. Another lobster claw, so it's probably going to be two, there's going to be a necklace and a bracelet, I'm thinking. And then we have some metal beads here, tube shaped. Here are some metal spacer beads. These are pretty. I like those. And then we have a ball head pin. It's probably for like a charm. And we have some chains, so there might be an extender chain somewhere in this. Here are some really cute charms. I love those. There's 4 in there. Little spirals. And then we have a bail. Very small bail. And here are some 4mm check fire polish beads. Looks like blue Picasso, a dark blue. And here are some more of those really cute spiral charms. This one's different though. This one has a tube on the top. Wow, there's a lot in here. Oh boy, I'm really excited to see what this project is going to be like. Here are a whole bunch of crimp covers. So I wonder how I'm going to use those. Wasn't there a bunch of crimps? Yeah, there is. Maybe there's going to be a multi-strand project in here. Here are some decorative rings, kind of like jump rings, but they're soldered shut. They don't open. And then we have some more cathedral beads. Holy cow, there is a lot. Okay, so this one here has a metallic finish on it on the sides, and this one has Picasso. So this, it looks like, again, it's the same colors. This one has a crystal Picasso. Teal, green, red. There's a lot of beads in here. And here is a huge bag. Here are more cathedral beads. These are beautiful. This one has a dark blue in it. The other ones had, I saw a lot of teal. But this one has a dark blue right there. And this one looks like all Picasso cathedral beads. And then we have a split ring, a big one. It's like an 8mm. Yep, it's going to be a multi-strand project because we have the multi-strand findings here. And then we have our bead stringing wire. Here is a neat looking pendant. It's upside down, so I'm going to have to take it out. I want to see. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. I love that. It's like a nautilus shell. That's really pretty. Okay. And there's one last bag in here, I think. Yep. This is 2 jump rings. So I'm really excited to see what this project is going to be like. I love cathedral beads. And I love that they're mixing all these colors together in this project, because I have some cathedral beads. I don't have a lot of them, but I have like a little bit of each color, and I always thought they looked pretty together, a mixture of the color, and I was wanting to make something with it. And with all the projects I have going on, I haven't gotten around to it, so I'm happy to play with all of these colors together. They're really pretty. There's a lot there. And the charms are so cute. I love these charms. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this project tonight. And maybe some tomorrow if I don't finish it all. And I'll take a picture of the finished projects and we'll post the picture at the beginning and the end of this video. So this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, I will leave a link for the subscription down there below the video so you guys can check it out yourself. I have got several of these subscriptions. If you are new to my videos, you can go back to my videos and look through and you'll see past subscriptions from BohemStyle. And so far, every box that I've gotten has had amazing quality pieces in it. The beads are all check, they're gorgeous, and all of the designs are put together really well. I have to say that I'm loving the designs that are coming in this box. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.